Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We do have new coupons, new glitches, and freebies. Plus, I put together a little something special for Christmas, so if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, December the 26th. So up first, we have our swim diapers dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, December the 26th. In this category, we have the Pampers Splasher swim diapers, the small, mediums, and larges. These have been on the store shelves for quite a while now, since the beginning of summer, so they might be harder to find, but look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Check the regular baby and diaper sections. Up next, we have a huge category of items. We have our Christmas seasonal category dropping to 50% off starting on Tuesday, December the 26th. Like I said, this is a huge category. Tons and tons, hundreds of items will be included. Everything from our home decor to stockings, hats, ornaments, even the little arts and crafts sets that you can pick up, all of our Christmas plush, all of that will be 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, I always like to remind everybody that Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and even though a lot of this stuff is specifically for Christmas decorating, you can also use some of this stuff for Valentine's Day as well, especially if you plan on decorating a Valentine's Day tree or doing any arts and crafts. Up next, we have our Christmas socks and apparel going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. A lot of these socks are just priced at $1, so that's going to make those 50 cents. And then, of course, we have the holiday family pajamas ranging in sizes from toddler all the way up to adult, men's, and women's. These are going to be priced at $6.25 starting on Tuesday. Also going down to 50% off, we have our Christmas party and stationery items. So be on the lookout for those paper plates, cups, napkins, and again, keep in mind that Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Up next, Dollar General pulled a fast one on us this year. They are doing something different, and they are including the Trim a Tree items as well as the Trim a Gift items. These are all going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, December the 26th. This category will include the trees, tree ribbon and bows, novelty and basic lights, outdoor decor, gift wrap, bows, boxes, gift ribbon, tissue paper, tags, and Christmas cards. Now, because these items are typically excluded from the Christmas clearance markdowns, I am going to warn you all. Please make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. If we get an itemized list, I will put that together for you all with visuals, so make sure that you stay tuned. Up next, this is really exciting. We have our Christmas air care going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, December the 26th. This does include the Febreze and the Glade, all the name brand holiday air care scents. So make sure that you scan before you go up to the register, and we should have some coupons and possibly some cashback offers to go right along with those deals. All right, next up, we have our Christmas baking and pet category going down to 25% off. Right along with it, we have our Christmas picnic category going down to 25% off. Typically, these are some holiday themed True Living paper plates. I will get you all visuals for those after Tuesday. We also have our Christmas bath and gift sets and our Christmas candy, all going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday. Now, with the air care, the gift sets, and the candy categories, we are going to have items that are going to be excluded. Dollar General will keep those on the shelves at full price until after Valentine's Day. So hopefully DG will send out some itemized lists to make it really easy for us, but if not, I have plenty of pictures, I have plenty of UPCs to check, and I am going to be working on some visual videos for us in the next couple of weeks. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss out on any videos. Now, just as an example of some of the items that will carry over into Valentine's Day, here we're taking a look at the Christmas candy aisle, and a lot of the big boxes of chocolate like the Russell Stovers, those types of items will be held at full price, and they will be used for Valentine's Day as well. So those will not clearance out until after Valentine's Day. Like I always say, scan before you go up to the register. Now, unfortunately, this week at Dollar General, we do not have a penny list so far. If anything changes, if anything pops up, you guys will be the first to know. So make sure that you all stay tuned. Now, also, just want to give you guys a quick little heads up. We do have tons of awesome deals going on at Dollar General. I've already put together some fantastic deals that you're not going to want to miss out on. So before you head out Tuesday morning to do your Christmas clearance shopping, make sure that you check back with my YouTube channel and check out the new video. So I'm going to have that one up for you all first thing Tuesday morning. And that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a very, very Merry Christmas. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you on the next one.